Hi guys, today we are going to install a new set of foot pegs on my Himalayan 411 and the one for the riders. So basically, from the company, the stock foot peg is made of metal. Actually, it's greatly made. We have the rubber piece bow, which is actually removable. We can remove this bolt to undo this, and we have these claw like structures which can hold the boots while we are doing the off-roading. So why I am changing it now is the thing which is made of, it is made of metal, and metal can easily rust. It may be some kind of iron, so it rusts. Usually when you take the bike on off-roads, the foot pegs take the beatings when you fell with the bike, or bike hits any rock, like my crash guard, which has taken a lot of beatings. So does the foot pegs. As you can see, I guess it's clear in the video. So there are some rusting on the both sides, on this foot peg and this one too. So we are changing it. Today what I have with me is two foot pegs, each for the each side, from the KTM. These are from the 390 Adventure. I specifically chosen 2019-2020 model. So as you can see, these are the part numbers of these, and it costed me 371 rupees, the MRP. This one has 370 and this one has 371 for each of them. For each. So this one is for the left hand side and this one is for RS side. So what we'll see what are inside the box. So this box actually contains only the foot peg. So other things like springs and the connecting small rod had to be bought separately, but since I could only find these and not those things. I will show what is this rod and the spring between this. So I had to buy only the foot peg. I will try to locate it once again in the showroom. If I find, I will change them. For now I will use the stock, this pin and the spring. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is to unclamp this lock here. I guess you can see this. So what do you need to do is just, as you can see, this is straight and this one is bent. This is locked. Now I guess you can see. So we need to get it straight. So like this, both the ends, both the rods should be parallel to each other. Now we can easily pull this outside. You can use a screwdriver or an plier to do so. Like this, and we can easily remove this. Just we need to push this on one side. We use my other hand. As you can see, there is no lubrication in this, that's why it's a bit hard, and yeah, so it falls off. So yeah, let's see whether the new one works. Yeah, so this is the one. Like this, it goes like this. So the spring should hold on to this one upper part, and it should go like this. There is a small tiny hole here, so we need to insert it here. this one like this, and we need to insert the rotor. So let me do it. I couldn't put it directly, so we can use any kind of rod or something like that. I didn't have a screwdriver, I used this Allen key. So I will just demonstrate how it works. As you can see, so it's it's working properly. The spring is, I was able to fit the spring here, and spring action works. This is actually pretty bigger than the stock one. Yeah, let me finish the job and continue with the video. So yeah, it's done. I was able to insert it properly, and now it's fitted. The final step you need to do is you need to insert the pin from one side and expand this to the outside. So let me do it. And yeah, it's done. As you can see, the one is straight and one I have folded. You can fold both of them. So yeah, this is how it looks. So one side is done, and one more to go. I will replace that too. So both sides are done, and here it is, the final look. Advantages: slightly bigger and wider foot peg than it was previously. So as you can see, it's almost same, a slightly bigger one. Advantages: this doesn't rust. Coming to disadvantages, this one had a rubber piece over the foot peg, so like two-in-one purpose for the off-road and for the on-road. This one doesn't have, but I don't think the rubber will mind that much. We have to see when we ride. And one more is metal used to, the iron used to bend when it takes the hit, but aluminum, it will not be that case. So I guess most probably this will break if it hits very hard. We have to see in the future case. Yep, that's it. Hope you like the video. Thank you.